we are continuing the HTML topic, and now we are going to discuss the form tag of your HTML document. So in order to use the form tag, you have to use the form tag with the closing, and you have to write the code inside the form start and form closing tag. Basically it is used to create a form. Generally we see that whenever we go for applying any jobs or for registering for anything, then we go for filling the forms. So in the form there are various fields are available, and we select the field, and according to the field we enter the value in it. So basically a form is a group of various elements, just like examination forms. A form is a data entry field on a page. A user supplies information into a field either by typing text or by selecting a value from a list of predicted values. So there are so many applications areas for the forms. So in educational sites, or when we do online purchasing of orders, collecting feedback about a website, or providing the interface for a chat sessions, or when we do logging on any websites by entering the username and password, then the username and password is also the attributes of the form tag. So the form tag has form as a header, then we have the input field or the element, and then what action we are going to take. Now in the form tags we use various type of tags of the form tag. So one of the tag is the input tag. So in input tag we have to mention the attribute, that is the type. So in type we have to insert the value. So values may be your text, button, checkbox, image, password, radio, reset, submit. These can be the type of the your input field. So name, we have to write what name we want for the particular field. Suppose that type is a text, name may be your name or a username. So well, in what is the initial value, and where you want to see the value in the field. So aligning center, left or right, and size, it is showing the font size and maximum length of the field. So suppose that username any or we can take say about the mm, phone number. So phone number, we are allowing only 10 digits for the phone number, so maximum length is here 10. So next is the next tag is a text area. So text area is basically used to when we want to write a paragraph like statement in the form. So here you can use the text area, like if you want address of the any person, or you want to take the declaration of the any person, then you can use the text area, that is the multi-line text. So here you have to mention the how many rows you want and how many columns you want in the text area. So row identifies the heights, column identifies widths, and wrap means word wrapping. The value of the wrap may be of virtual means long lines, and physical means wrap points. Now the third one is your pull down menu. So you have to use the select. So in the select you have to name. You can write the list name. Then here you will select the option, like you can select name as a gender. In option you can write male here and then the female here. So these may be the two options. So anyone will select any one option from these two options.